Hey guys, welcome back to the Sgcarmart reviews, and we're here in Taipei for the launch of the McLaren 750S. The 750S succeeds the very successful 720S. Now, I'm gonna take you through the car a little bit, just give you a little bit of a preview about what's new about this McLaren's lightest, quickest, most powerful production series model, the 750S. So, right off the bat, if you're familiar with the 720S, you might think, yeah, this car looks like quite familiar. I mean, what's going on here? Well, yes, it looks very familiar, but there have been hundreds of changes under the skin. McLaren will not do things like half-baked or in half measures. So, right off the bat, in front of the first thing to notice is these headlight surrounds, like, they can now be either with carbon fiber or in body colored. Then the front splitter, it's gotten longer. The air intakes over by the headlight surrounds, like, they've gotten narrower. A lot of it is all to make the thing more aerodynamic. And now we move along to the side, right? These wheels, these gorgeous forged alloy wheels, they're actually the lightest ever fitted to a McLaren production series car. They save, I think, over 17 kilos of weight over like the normal, like all rims. So now let's just move on to the rear. Now the biggest change to the rear has been the exhaust system. Now it used to be that the tailpipes came out here and here, like kind of on the either side of the rear end, but now it's a central exhaust, which is inspired by the P1, that car that kind of took the world by storm like 10 years ago, P1 hypercar. So now it's here, and McLaren says they've made it lighter, so of course, yet another improvement. Now, let's take a look over at the interiors. Another McLaren thing, dihedral doors, open upwards. Now, as you can see, rather than having the roof line here, it's another McLaren trait that the opening goes all the way until here, and that really helps with easing you in and out of the car. Inside, you get an all-new instrument panel. It's all digital. Compared to the one in the 720S, this is much higher resolution, sharper graphics. This looks great. This is not on now, but we're told now Apple CarPlay comes as standard, and as you would expect, I'm sitting in these carbon fiber bucket seats. Yes, again, they're another weight-saving measure. Performance, we need to save weight, and that's what they're doing. Another unique thing is these pedal shifters. They're actually one-piece pedal shifters. So what does this mean? Actually, if you wanted to, on track or on public roads, you could just like press the minus pedal, and that would actually upshift, or you pull to downshift, and you can repeat the opposites here, like, oh, I want to downshift, you can just do that, or you can just do that. All in all, it still feels familiar. It feels familiar to the 720S. You've got great visibility all around. You've got so much glass that if you were to drive this around town, it wouldn't be much of a problem, relatively speaking, for a supercar. Thanks again for joining us today here in Taipei, 750S launch. Can't wait till the car comes to Singapore. We've been asking if it will arrive around, for a preview around, F1 weekend, which is on 15 September onward, 15 to 17 September. That's all from me today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, click on that notification bell. Follow us on TikTok at Sgcarmart. That's all from me today. Thanks, take care.
Yeah.